name is Jacqueline Morris. I am the Vice President of Human Resources at Gateway Technical College in southeastern Wisconsin. I am a mom, a wife, a sister. When you're dealing with COVID and you are what we call the sandwich generation, I'm dealing with my mom, who is 85 years old, but I'm also dealing with a child, trying to keep everyone safe through this experience of COVID. But in my current role in human resources, I'm also working with a group of highly talented individuals just to make sure that we keep our college community safe. And what that takes is a lot of conversation, a lot of thinking, and making the best decisions as possible. When you're talking about COVID, you really have to explain what COVID is and what it takes to actually keep a community safe of COVID. So in addition to the mask wearing, the social distancing, and actually keeping our class sizes smaller, we have barriers put in place. As you see out in the community, we have areas on the floor if you're actually waiting in line, say in student services, to remind people, like, yes, we're social distancing. We actually put in place a website that will allow any type of information that we have so that anytime there's a question, our employees and our students can go in and get information. And we also brought in someone as part of our COVID response team to actually help us to answer additional questions. Some individuals go to social media to get their information about COVID, but we really do stress that individuals look to the CDC. But the one thing that we have done on our COVID pages here, we've put the links. Whether you are in Walworth County, Racine County, or Kenosha County, we've placed the links on our website so that you can actually go to the county to get county information. We have links that will lead you to the CDC. And again, I can't stress more that it's about the knowledge base of what we've done. It's just not about the physical things that you see. On campus, we have had individuals come in if they wanted to get vaccinated. We have opened up our space here on Wednesdays in Kenosha. You will see that you actually can get COVID tested. I am fully vaccinated. I believe that in order for us to conquer COVID, I want to be a part of that movement, a part of that herd immunity. I know that in the past, we've had other types of epidemics or things that have come across, and we have to do our part. I want to do my part. I want to keep the community safe. I want to keep myself safe. I want to keep my family safe.